Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala, taking a quick couple minutes to show you a fresh arrival. It's this beautiful 22 Ram, 1 ton, with the upgraded Laramie package. It has the 6.7 Cummins diesel, 4-wheel drive, smoke-free cabin, 18,000 miles, which is almost half of what we're seeing in the market right now. Let's take a quick look. This truck is in a bright white. I have it running right now. It does have the Cummins power. That's a motor that will give great service for years to come. This is a 22 with 18,000 miles. As we look at the bed of it, you see a few leaves back there, but that's about the extent that I can tell of its use. This is a 4-wheel drive, 1 ton Laramie, smoke-free cabin, very spacious back seat with lots of technology plug-ins in the back. As we move into the front, has a large screen, a very large armrest. You and your passenger won't be fighting over for who gets the armrest here, and still has a ton of factory warranty. On the full powertrain warranty, there's still 4 years and about 42,000 miles left, and there's 2 years and 18,000 miles left of the bumper-to-bumper factory warranty. This is a 22 Ram with 18,000 miles and very clean, as you can see. Laramie trim. This is a nice truck. Let me pull it out and give you a little peek at the outside. Let's take just a moment here to pull it out for you. You just take a peek in the back while I back up. Smoke-free cabin. This thing, if you're looking to upgrade your tow capacity, this is a great truck to consider. That backup camera is serving me well right now. It's a huge screen and it's crystal clear. This is a 22 Ram, 1 ton. It's available today at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. We're at 694-1234. This truck has an Alpine stereo system. It's got all your technology, your plug-ins. You want to heat those seats up, you're welcome to do that. Let me just get situated here in the lot. I'll give you a quick little walk around the outside. But this is a no apologies truck that we've got priced what I'm seeing $3,000 to $5,000 under the market right now. So if you've considered a new one, save a lot of money. If you're considering pre-owned, it looks like we've got one with 18,000 miles for what other folks have 30 to 40,000 miles on. Just a beautiful truck as I walk down the side. Set of factory Firestones. This is Chris at Prestige, just giving you a quick 2 minutes to peek at a fresh arrival. Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. We're at 2261 Southwest College Road. We've got some great national lenders, some fantastic local credit unions. We're open Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And we buy nice trucks, just not to keep. We'll see you at the store.